You're peeling the calamansi.
This looks like orange.
Yeah, a mini orange. Ew. Okay, I'm ready for your calamansi face. Sip it, sip it, sip it, sip it. The calamansi is a little fruit. If you eat too much, you get very cute. Bilis! Make salo. Salo the plate. With the plate. It's dripping. I don't think I can sip that.
Wanna try, Mom?
No.
The seeds.
It's okay. It will just come out of your poop. Go, sip it, sip it, sip it.
I'm taking out the seeds. It's like I'm taking out the seeds from the orange.
Like
Gosh.
little orange, huh? It's okay, just sip it and then spit out the seeds.
I don't want to eat this anymore.